Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be revealing to you how you can add a manager to your YouTube channel. Like if you don't have a time to manage your YouTube channel and you are looking for someone to take over the channel for you, how you can add the person as a manager. So that's what I'm going to be sharing with you tonight. So if you are a new subscriber, if you are a new viewer here, you can kindly subscribe to the channel, and if you are a returning subscribers, do us a favor by sharing the videos with your friends, with your people. So as I said earlier, today I'm going to be showing to us how you can add a manager to your YouTube account. So when you log into your YouTube like this, you can see this is my own YouTube channel. When you log into your YouTube like this, so you come to this right side corner, you can see where my cursor is. So when you click on the icon or the logo of your channel, you can see my own logo. So when you click on it, you have your channel. Click on YouTube Studios. Click on YouTube Studios. So we are waiting for it to load. Now this is it. When you click on YouTube Studio, then you click on your videos, your content. So when you click on content, then you can scroll down to this place, then you have your settings. So you click on settings. So here now you have general, channel, update, default, permission. So this is where you are going. So when you click on permission, you can see owners, manager. I add a manager to this channel before. So when you now want to add a manager, you just come to invite. So when you click on invite, you paste the Gmail of whoever you want to add as the manager. You paste it here. So you click here and select whether you want him as editor, or you want him as manager, or you want him as subtitle editors. So when you after you enter that, then you click on done. So and that's all. It is now left for the person to accept the invite. So the person will be the one to accept the invite. So that is all for today. So if you have gained something from this lecture, you can do us a favor by subscribing to our channel, like the video, share the videos with your friends. So in the next video, we are going to be teaching us more about how to manage our YouTube channel. So thanks for watching.